Hey everybody, it's Haley here and
Marisol.
and today we are going to be making some fluffy slime.
So we're gonna be making fluffy slime. So the thing we need is a bowl with nothing inside.
It has to be dried. Something to mix with.
Your bowl.
Yeah, this is my bowl.
And then we're gonna need some glue. Glue, that's gonna be hers. That's gonna be hers. Mine. Mine. So yeah, we're gonna each gonna have 2 glues. And then we're gonna each have some shaving cream.
Yeah.
So yeah.
This is the kind of shaving cream we're using.
Any shaving cream is fine, but it's gonna have to be Barbasol or something like that.
Barbasol.
Yeah. And then you're gonna be needing some foaming soap.
This one? This kind? Yeah, this one was
And then you're gonna need some cornstarch. Cornstarch. And we're gonna keep on measuring things, so we're gonna use
these measuring cups
and measuring this. I know I said that. Okay. So I need to fix this thing.
We need to fix it. And we have this big cup that has like numbers on them. Yeah.
If you guys want to know we're our sisters,
Yeah.
this is our first time doing this video. So.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm nervous. Okay, let's get started. Okay. The
So
thing is that we're gonna pour some glue. Any glue is fine.
Yeah, into our bowl.
Oh shoot, that's a lot of glue. We might be doing 2. That's a whole bunch of glue.
Yeah. A lot of glue is coming out of So yeah, it's gonna be a lot of slime.
Yeah. And then the more we put in, it's gonna get bigger. Okay, and then that's it. We're just gonna pour 1 because that is a lot.
Yeah,
Okay.
we thought it was gonna be a little bit.
Yeah, me too, but it's a whole bunch. Can you see this? That, but oh shoot, it's about to fall. Okay.
Okay.
Then we're gonna be needing some shaving cream. And we're gonna put in this jar right here.
That's
About
mine.
like
Yes. That's mine. Yeah. It looks like it's gonna fall. Yeah, we like adding a lot of shaving cream.
so yeah. Oh shit, that's a lot. Wait. The more we put in, the more it's gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger.
Yeah, and it's gonna be a lot more fluffier. Yeah, I like it fluffy.
Yeah. Sorry taking forever, but I want mine to be perfect. Sure, they're about to put it in.
Okay, so now my turn to add. Mine makes weird noises than hers. Actually, mine looks like weird. I mean,
Hey, what the? It's gonna fall, dude.
hurry up. I got a lot on myself.
So, comments down below if you like this video. Are you using mine? What the heck, dude? So yeah. So we're gonna eat a lot. Dude, what the heck?
Me, because I still had a lot. Mine wasn't finished. It had like a big gap of nothing inside. So yeah, we're gonna start.
So we're gonna start putting some foaming soap in it. inside this thing.
Up again. And yeah. Mine has a lot of shaving cream. Even hers. Make sure you guys open
We're gonna
it up.
put like 1 cup, I think, or 2.
By the way, the foaming soap that we are using smells so good. Yeah, look at mine.
We're gonna put it's watermelon. It's watermelon.
Yeah, look, you guys can see it's watermelon.
I dropped mine. You saw mine? Mine fell.
Hers fell on the...
I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna go get some napkins. I'll be way back.
Now, I'm going to be adding also some foaming soap. That way it would fill the top. Yeah, this is going to take forever. Like, yeah, it's actually already taking a lot of time.
I'm back.
Yeah, she accidentally dropped hers on the table. Yeah, we're using a table to make this.
Bro, you see me? Oh my god, our neighbor's like cray cray right now.
Yeah.
That's enough, dude.
Okay. Now I'm gonna be adding it inside
Our bowl. Not outside.
because you didn't really get that much.
Okay. Okay, they're gonna start mixing it. Oh my god.
It's just so loud. Our neighbors are very loud.
I think our bowl's so small. So we might get a
So yeah, we're even gonna want to go all the way under. That way we can get all the glue to the top. Even though you guys can't see the glue, still.
you might get a container, big giant container. Because this one is getting big. It's getting full of it.
Yeah, even though it falls, you guys are gonna want to mix it very, very good. They can't even see your bowl, man. So.
Can you see that?
Yeah, we don't want to mix. Yeah, this is a lot of shaving cream and foaming soap. I was about to drop it. Make sure you guys don't drop it.
Yeah.
Like me, I was about to drop it.
Like our neighbors are being cray cray right now.
Okay, so once we're done stirring it all up, we're gonna want
I'm
to.
not done stirring.
Yeah,
So
we still have to stir a lot more. Yeah, until it's all combined together. Yeah, I can kind of see the glue.
me
Like
either.
it's like
Just like soap on top of
it's
it.
like all the way under.
You know what? I'm gonna be needing a container. You use your container?
Huh?
Maybe it fits in there. Container.
Yeah, I think it might. I don't know. Okay. And after the end, I'm gonna try to fit my slime in this container, but I don't think it'll fit.
Mix it very well.
Yeah, because you guys are gonna want to like make sure it's all the way under. That way, all the glue will not be stick onto the. and all the glue is like under. You guys can't really see it. Look, I'll show you guys. That's all the shaving cream. This is actually very good.
It smells very good. I swear, you guys. I wish you guys were here.
Yeah, to see. It smells like very good. I wish you guys could listen to them. Our neighbors are starting to get crazy. Make sure you guys stir it all the way to the bottom of the plate, because that's where the glue is at.
Why are you doing that? Okay, when you guys are done mixing,
So I'm mixing all the way to the bottom, that way all the slime.
I feel like mine is ready. Okay, if you guys think you guys are done, or when you think you're done, we're gonna add some cornstarch right here.
Here's our,
This is kind of like powder. Okay, now we're gonna add this. We're gonna be adding. Okay. And then start mixing
we're gonna be
again.
adding 1/4 of cornstarch. So
Maybe ours is gonna drop because ours is the bowl. And then
yeah, the cornstarch, almost all of it fell on the ground. Almost, but not. And we're gonna put that aside.
underneath.
Oh my gosh, it's sauce cornstarch on my legs. I don't like how that feels. Okay, you, please. No,
Use that one.
my hands are not very dirty.
Having a mess.
Yeah, it's a big mess. I still have some glue inside mine, so I might as well just take it.
Oh yeah. If you think it still has glue,
Add some on the top. That
yeah,
way.
for it could. I don't think mine has any.
Here, I'll put some on yours. Oh no. I think that's all my has. Don't listen to our neighbors. They're like so loud. I don't know if you guys can hear them, but
I can't remember her name. I was thinking now, so.
I'm just gonna leave mine like this, so it can like
yeah, that way.
all the glue could get down.
That's just a big mess. Okay, yeah.
Okay, start mixing the cornstarch inside of it.
Together with the yeah, mine's like full.
And then if there's no like little holes, or you think it's like it's ready, then just keep on adding a little bit, and by little. But you don't want to add too much because that's good.
That's on my legs. Keep on getting some everywhere.
Mom's gonna get mad at us, but because we're gonna take a shower.
Make sure you
Okay.
guys dig all the way in.
Yeah, and then I'm done. No, I'm not no more. I'm not adding no more.
In the mix. Yeah, it's gonna look like marshmallow.
Yeah.
Like it's a marshmallow color right now.
Okay, now I'm gonna be adding in our activators.
Yeah, slime
We
activator.
have in here, in this little this. Mine says tastes good, and hers I think says that too.
Yeah.
So add only 3 drops right now. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Oh, those were big drops. So yeah, then you guys can see it's starting
And then start mixing
it's starting to like.
until it dissolves.
Mine is starting to come together. You guys can't even see it. Okay, look. You see it's starting to come together. Okay, I'm dissolved.
And then maybe mixing mine.
That's easy.
You making more glue? I mean, more slime?
Yeah.
Oh my god, how much are you making?
1.
One
But
is a
in this
lot.
whole bottle.
Huh?
In that whole bottle.
What are you guys making it for? You
Yeah.
gonna sell it?
Yeah.
So now we're gonna be mixing it all around.
Yeah, sorry about that, guys.
That was our neighbor.
That was our neighbors that live with us.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you see mine is coming out together?
Mine's also good. So now
And then add 2 more drops. 1, 2.
that was a
I
lot.
think I add 3.
I added 3. Then you guys can sort of see that it's coming together. It's coming together slow, very, very, actually fast.
Oh my god, mine. Okay, I'm gonna add just 2 more drops.
Yeah, that way
1, 2.
I added 3. Because mine isn't like hers, because
Mine has 6.
she dropped it.
Oh my god, mine is coming.
It's like very, very heavy.
It's heavy and it's hard to
And you guys,
Okay, when you
guys-
feel like when it's ready, then grab it with your hands and start playing with it.
yeah,
Oh my god. That's a lot of slime.
I can still see my hands.
And it's really stretchy and smells good, right?
I don't think mine's in. You guys are just gonna keep on adding some until you guys feel like it's ready for you guys to play with. I'm very slow. I think
mine is coming
I
together.
think I need her spoon. Her spoon is a
Ugh.
lot more bigger. Mine is smaller. It is very, very heavy.
Told you. It's so sticky. It's kind
Okay, I
of
think mine is.
Oh, that comes in your hair.
Oh, this is great.
And then if it's coming sticky, then keep on adding your
Solution.
borax.
Yeah, we forgot to say that our solution is borax.
You could use any type of
You
borax.
guys can use contact solution.
You could use contact solution.
Tide.
Yep. Laundry
Laundry
detergent.
detergent. Oh, that's yours.
Oh, mine is ready. I think.
Mine is very, very heavy.
I think mine is ready. Oh, look, mine is ready.
I still have some more inside mine. I don't know why. Like I'm
Oh,
trying to
look, mine is ready.
get the
Yay!
rest inside. Yeah. Mine is a little bit sticky, but yeah.
We'll keep on adding activity here.
Yeah, you guys just keep on adding some activator until you guys feel like you guys got into the right consistency.
Mine is ready.
Okay, yes.
One's yours?
Because I have different shaving cream.
This is hard.
It's very heavy. Because I got all. You're supposed to get all of that also. You see?
Wait, I wanna make it clean.
Ew.
Wait, dude. Okay. I'm gonna put it right here.
Yeah.
Dang, it's cool. I still have slime inside.
Yeah, you guys can see. Ow! Don't put it on the
Okay,
table.
now this I have to have a little bit here.
You guys can serve here. That sounds very loud.
This is really fun to make.
Yeah, if you guys smell like it smells very, very good. I want to add some more foam soap.
If you want it really stretchy, then you could add some lotion. But we didn't add any because it's already stretchy.
Okay, mine.
We might put food coloring right now, but hold up. We're gonna have to check if we have food coloring.
Okay, I'm just mixing it all. I'm just mixing all of the.
I'm trying to take out the slime out of my hands.
Okay, I got a little piece, barely, just to test out if it would make it stretchier with the foaming hand soap. My hand's full of foaming soap, and it actually does a little. Like it's very. I added a little bit too much, but
Ooh, can you see, guys? Now I'm gonna add it.
after a little while, you
here.
guys can see that your slime is starting to get a lot more.
Mine is still kind of stretched. Mine's still kind of.
This is very, very fun. I like it. She's just doing with the after she like. Mine doesn't need no more activator because mine is good.
How you had it?
The table, very, very dirty. Well, not that dirty, but a little bit. It's like very, very heavy and yeah, it's very stretchy. Just go like that.
It's gonna get on your
It
shirt.
looks like a jumper. Look, you guys, I told you guys it was a lot. You guys, that's
Okay, we might get
magic.
food coloring now. Hold up.
We still don't know if we're gonna use food color or not.
Can you? Let's see if I still have any.
Can we see seats?
For now, we're sitting on a chair.
And I'm gonna try this out. What if I add some slime into some more cornstarch? If you guys add some more cornstarch, then it makes it like
It makes noise. Oh, what the? Smoke.
it's soft. It's just soft. It makes it soft, I guess.
I wish you guys were here and watch us, but it's gonna be kind of
Like
embarrassing for us.
in live. Like, yeah. Now I'm gonna see if mine will fit in the container. Barely. Okay. Yeah, by the way, I got a new pet. My brother made it as our pet, and it's a beetle. That was very scary.
Not
Like
me.
it. I don't like it.
I hate it.
But like it's
Our
dead.
brother just like throw it.
Yeah, he just threw it.
Because it didn't have no wings, no nothing.
It was their wings.
It legs was fold and it didn't have it, and its wing was ripping, broken.
Yeah, that's sad.
Yeah, but I'm scared of beetles. They're dumb.
Yeah, but that beetle that we have, it doesn't really sting. It doesn't even sting. We grabbed it and it didn't sting us. My brother started playing with its legs. Our brother started playing with its legs. And it didn't sting him. It's a lot of fun. That's an activator. It's cute. Look, you see it keeps on getting stuck on.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go check if there's some. What's I gonna say? Food coloring. Okay, I'll be right back.
My
We ready?
sister just came back with a
We're gonna
food
put
coloring.
some food
blue
blue.
coloring.
Yeah. Just gonna add one drop.
Oh, you can see
Here.
it. Yeah, I would prefer to do it in the sun. Otherwise, your
It's gonna be too hot.
slime will. Sorry, that was our neighbors. It's so like loud. I don't know why. And mine still hasn't come to the. Oh yeah, it does. It has. Okay. I was wrong. Ah, I don't like it staining my hands.
It's staying in our hands. Yay, mine is ready.
I'm gonna add some more.
It's gonna get darker.
That's all I'm adding. Yeah, I don't like it too dark. And I'm gonna go to the sun real quick.
Where? Why? I went to the sun for.
Okay.
It's stretching heavy.
Yeah, it's a lot heavy. There. That's all I'm adding the food color.
See, it's
Mine
so
didn't really
big.
get that much. Yeah, it's staining my hands. I don't like it staining my hands. Like,
I'm sorry, guys. We're gonna not even gonna keep on. I'm gonna cray now.
show them how your hands are stained. That's mine.
These are mine.
Yeah, we both have.
Oh yeah, follow us on Musical.ly. Sorry guys, we don't have Instagram or Snapchat or Twitter.
I used to have Snapchat.
Me too. But
And
we don't have it
I'm
anymore.
gonna get Instagram.
It's
next
kind of
year.
Instagram. I don't like it anymore. Yeah,
Our brother has Instagram.
yeah. So I know
And Snapchat, but not Instagram.
it has Snapchat, Instagram. Hers is on private account.
No, it's not a private one.
No? Okay. Mine is Teddy Bear Marisol 52
And mine is just Haley Ayala.
09.
No, and that's all. Well, I
Okay.
have another account, but it's on private. It's Haley Ayala 009. 09.
Yeah, this is my slime. I think hers just got darker. Let me see yours. I want to see touch. What the heck happened to your slime? Mine is so like, oh shoot, oh, that hurt. That really hurt a lot.
Yeah, I barely cut it another piece. It still smells good.
It smells good.
And if you guys want it more stretchier,
You could add a lotion. Okay, guys.
the fluffier, you guys add some Barbasol. That's all
I'm out.
I have.
Okay, thank you guys for watching.
Don't forget to
Don't forget to
comment down below.
comment down
subscribe,
below.
and subscribe.
If what slime do you like and what
What's
do you
your
want
favorite
us
type
to
of
do
slime?
next? Only slimes, no dirty things, nothing like that. We're not
Yeah.
allowed to do
Like
that.
we love doing.
I think we only post when she comes, because sometimes she's at work with my mom.
our mom, yeah. Sometimes I go to work with my mom.
I go with my mom. My mom works at McDonald's. I'm just kidding. She's a housekeeper. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notifications. And we're giving shout outs. Oh, it sounded like a fart. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye. Did we end it? I don't know.
You don't even know.
Okay. Bye.